Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Hi, Chelsea. Welcome to my kitchen. Are you ready to cook?
Hi, Charlie. Yes, I am ready. I am a little nervous.
Nervous? Why are you nervous? Cooking is easy.
For you, it is easy. For me, it is not. I think I am bad at cooking.
Today, that will change. We will cook together, step by step.
Okay. What are we going to cook?
Something simple and tasty. We will cook pasta with tomato sauce and a small salad.
Pasta and salad? That sounds good. I like that.
Great. First, we need to wash our hands. Come with me to the sink. Okay. Water, soap, and clean hands. Perfect. Now our hands are clean. Let's look at the ingredients. Now we start the first step. We need to prepare the pasta water. I will fill this pot with water.
Can I turn on the stove?
Yes. Turn this button slowly. Good.
The fire is on. I am always a little afraid of the fire, but now it is fine. I feel safe with you here.
That is normal. With practice, you will feel calm. Now we wait for the water to boil.
While we wait, what do we do?
We prepare the sauce. You can peel the garlic and the onion.
Okay, I will try. My eyes always cry with onion.
It happens to me too. Just peel slowly. No rush.
I peeled the garlic. Now I am peeling the onion. My eyes are getting a little wet.
You are doing great. Now I will show you how to cut. Watch my hands.
You cut so fast. I cannot cut like that.
You do not need to be fast. You need to be safe. Hold the knife like this and cut slowly.
Like this? Small pieces?
Yes. Small pieces are perfect for the sauce.
I did it. The garlic and onion are ready.
Great. Now we put a little olive oil in the pan. Then we add the garlic and onion.
Can I pour the olive oil?
Yes. A small line. Stop. That is enough.
Okay. Now the garlic and onion go into the pan.
Very good. Listen to the sound. It is starting to fry.
It smells good already. I like this smell.
The garlic and onion are golden now. We continue with the sauce. I will open the tomato sauce jar.
The color is beautiful, very red and bright.
Yes. Now I pour the tomato sauce into the pan. Look, it mixes with the garlic and onion.
It smells even better now. I like this sauce.
Me too. Now we mix slowly with the spoon. Just small circles.
Like this? Gentle circles?
Yes. Perfect. Now we add a little salt and a little pepper.
Can I add the salt? Yes.
A small pinch. Good. Now a little pepper.
Done. The sauce looks thicker now.
Yes. We let it cook for a few minutes. Now we prepare the salad.
I like salad. What do we do first?
First, we wash the lettuce, the tomato, and the cucumber. Put them in the sink.
Okay, I am washing the lettuce leaves now. They look fresh.
Good. Now wash the tomato and the cucumber too.
Done. all clean. What is next?
Now we cut the lettuce. Look, I cut it in thin strips.
Thin strips. That looks easy. Let me try.
Go ahead, take the knife, and cut slowly.
Look, Charlie, I am doing it. Not perfect, but not bad.
Very good. Cooking is not about perfect. It is about trying.
I like that. So what about the cucumber?
We cut it in round slices, like small circles. Watch.
Okay. Round slices. I can do that.
Yes, your slices look great. The salad is almost ready.
And the tomato? How do we cut it?
We cut it into small cubes. I cut half. You cut the other half.
My tomato cubes are not perfect, but they are small.
They do not need to be perfect. They only need to be in the salad.
That is true. I like that rule.
Now we put all the vegetables into this bowl. Lettuce, cucumber, tomato.
The bowl looks very colorful, fresh and nice.
Yes. To finish the salad, we add olive oil, salt, and lemon juice.
Can I squeeze the lemon?
Yes. Squeeze half a lemon over the salad. Good. Now mix everything with the spoon.
Done. The salad looks ready. And I helped with all of it.
You helped with everything. Cooking is easy when we do it step by step.
I agree. It is not scary now. It is actually fun.
The salad is ready. Now we check the pasta. Look at the pot. The pasta is moving a lot.
How do we know if the pasta is ready?
We take one piece with the fork, like this. Then we taste it. It is soft. The pasta is ready.
Good. What do we do now?
Now we turn off the stove. Then we drain the water in the sink. I will do this part. Hot water is dangerous.
Yes, I am afraid of hot water. I am glad you are doing it.
It is done. The pasta is here in the pot.
Nice and soft. It looks delicious.
But it needs the sauce.
Exactly.
Now we put the sauce on the pasta. Look at this. I am pouring the sauce all over the pasta.
Wow, the color looks amazing.
Yes, now we mix everything. Pasta and sauce together.
Can I help with the table? Yes.
Take 2 plates and 2 forks. Put them on the table. And bring the salad bowl too.
The table is ready. 2 plates, 2 forks, and the salad.
Perfect. Now I serve the pasta. 1 plate for you. 1 plate for me.
It looks so good, like restaurant food.
And we cooked it together. That is the best part.
I am excited to taste it.
It smells wonderful. Sit down. We will taste it together.
Okay, I am ready.
Okay, Chelsea, let's taste our food. Take your fork.
I am a little nervous, but also excited. I hope it tastes good.
It will. You helped with every step. Now take a bite.
Wow. Charlie, this is really good.
I told you. Cooking is easy. And you did a great job.
I am surprised. It tastes like real homemade food. I can't believe I helped make this.
Believe it. You cut, washed, mixed, stirred. You did everything.
I think I like cooking now. It feels simple and relaxing.
Cooking can be fun, especially when we do it together.
And the salad is perfect too, fresh and colorful.
Yes, the lemon gives it a good flavor.
This dinner is really nice. I feel proud. I didn't know I could cook like this.
You can. You only needed clear steps and a little confidence.
I learned a lot today. Now I want to cook again another day.
We can. Next time we can try something new, maybe soup, or chicken, or another pasta.
Yes. Let's do it again. Cooking together is fun.
And now you can say it. Say the sentence.
Cooking is easy.
Exactly. Cooking is easy. And you proved it today.
Thank you for teaching me. This was a great day.
It was a great day for me too. Good food, good conversation, good company.
Now I feel confident and happy and full.
Me too. Now let's relax a little. We deserve it.
Yes, we really do.